Welcome to the online earning landscape in 2023. Let's explore strategies for success in this ever-evolving field. Freelancing and the gig economy offer a wide range of opportunities. From writing to design and programming, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer can help you find work. Content creation and monetization are key avenues for income. YouTube, blogging, and podcasting can diversify your revenue streams through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. E-commerce and dropshipping are popular ways to earn online. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon provide opportunities to set up your own online store and explore dropshipping models. Affiliate marketing and partner programs can be lucrative. Learn how to effectively utilize affiliate links and partnerships with brands to generate income. Online courses and ebooks are great for sharing knowledge and earning money. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing can help you create, market, and sell your digital products. Investment and trading opportunities exist in the stock market and cryptocurrencies. However, it's important to be aware of the risks involved and make informed decisions. Remote work is a growing trend. Discover the various industries offering remote positions and explore the possibilities of working from anywhere. App development and selling digital products are other avenues for online income. Learn about app development and monetization, as well as selling digital products on platforms or personal websites. Social media management and online consultancy services are in demand. Explore opportunities related to managing social media accounts or providing consultancy services.